Today I am making something called a jacket potato. Now, firstly, you need to wear your shirt, your hat, and your boxers. I'm parking in my pose, say leave me alone, right? Firstly, you need a big ass potato that I bought from Checkers, and I'm gonna wash it.
So, you're gonna wash this thing, make sure you take out whatever dirt, whatnot.
Then I put it on a saucer like this. Now, I took my saucer from the dish rack. Me, I don't put my dishes in the cupboard, let's say. I wash here, I put it in the dish rack. For what I must do all funny things, let's say. I got no time to check out from the cupboard and everything. I'll leave it here to dry, and when I will need something, I'll take from here. Then you must stab the potato like this. In mother, in your mother. Stab it. Stab it. Then you put it in the microwave for like 10 minutes, just like that with the saucer. Hey, go. 10. Anyway, then I've got a can of tuna and I have to drain the oil. So I drain it in my sink drain, obviously, because where else am I put it, bruh?
So I open the hot water and I say dala this here. Take out all the oil.
Then I put the tuna in a bowl. Now I must wash my bloody hands because the tuna oil went all over my fingers. Irritating, exact.
Always use sunlight because that thing take out anything, you know what I mean?
Then you add 1 scoop of mayonnaise. This thing is 1 scoop shy, exact. Now I'm not gonna waste this mayonnaise here, so I'm gonna swap spoons. Put that spoon there, take this one out. Put 1 chopped chili, finish and clap. Mix this thing up lacquer like a G. Add some salt, exact. And put some pepper. Oh lord, I can't do the one hand, wait. Bruh, the potato is ready, exact. You can see how lacquer and soft it is, right? So you're gonna cut it open and you're gonna put some butter on it like this. And you're gonna spray it so it dries and it like melts and then leaks all. It's hard to do one hand, but just bear with me, yeah. You put the butter everywhere so it like leaks. Hey, making the thing wet. Anyway, you put the butter there and you let it right down there. Oh yeah, your mother. Look at this thing. Look at this, man. Hey man, your mother. Wait, hold on here, guys, hold on. Got a mission going on in the kitchen. 1 piece butter. Anyway, you put the butter there and you make sure the butter is soaking everywhere. It's vying in. Oh, look at that, brah. Oh lord. Right. Anyway, the butter is there. And then you're gonna put the filling that there on top. And brah, it comes out like this, right? But before you eat this thing, you put the dishes in a sink and then you soak it with like some sunlight or handy or whatever you got to say, because the smell is hectic, you know what I mean? Jack potato, boss. Then you chow this thing with a spoon and a knife, because I have to live up to my name, you know what I mean? Just look at this thing. Look at this thing. See what I mean? Jacket potatoes. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. Check it out. This is what a jacket potato looks like. Ah, look at this thing. Can I have some? I want piece chili, yeah? You know what I mean? This thing tastes so mild, bruh. I'm addicted to this thing. Come here, man. It's hard to do one hand. Bear with me. See what I mean? Jacket potato. The hot potato went in my throat. That's why it wasn't talk when you're eating. Jacket potatoes. Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. Lacquer people, I taught you something new I never knew existed. They call it spuds. But it's jacket potato. And it's fucking tasty. Lacquer.